Yeah, so hi guys, in this short tutorial video, I'm going to quickly address a way by which you can use kitchen for Python packages anytime you are building with Docker. As you know, it can be a lot of resources consumption anytime you are trying to run the command which is Docker compose build. It can take a lot of resources in the sense that in your PIP file, which is what I'm using in this case, it might be a requirement or text file for you. So you observe that even if there is a single change, a single line change, this requirement.test file or let's say pip file, right? And then you have to rebuild again. Docker tends to build the whole thing from scratch and install those packages, everything from scratch. So how can you prevent that so that you can have a page mounted locally, right? Pip page. So this is how you go about it. Here I'm not building. So the first thing is to check where pip pages is the directories. I mean the packages locally. It will be different, but I'm on a Linux 6 operating system here. So pip page dar, that's the command. So this is the results we have. This is where I have the page locally, which I can mount the volume on Docker, right? So that it can just use those packages instead of installing them anew every time. So it might be a little bit different. This is for Linux. This is what it may look like on Mac and then on Windows, of course. So once you've run that and then you have the results, you simply come to your Docker Compose file, which is what we have here. So on the backend service, or whatever the name is that you call it, this is my backend. So you just mount it to the volumes. That's what actually needs the packages, is the backend in my case that needs those Python packages. So you mount it locally. That's .pip catch. So this is the directory I have from the results. So you mount it here, and once you've done that, you can also add it to the environment, so which is pip catch da what yes, and then you have it's the same thing. So it might be a little bit different on your based on your operating system, right? So with that, anytime you run the Docker Compose build, it will save you a lot of time and it will build quite faster and also save you resources. So I hope that helps. All right.